Ransomware attack methods constantly change as bad actors evolve and expand their techniques. All signals indicate that this will worsen in upcoming years as cyber attacks intensify. Businesses will need to prioritize developing their security defense posture across data protection, privacy, and overall corporate risk. Recovering from a ransomware attack means having the right response and recovery plans stored in one place that are well tested and rehearsed. As cyber threats are constantly evolving, recovery plans need to be regularly exercised and hardened for a strong security resilience posture. Cutover provides a single platform for you to recover from outages and cyber incidents, such as ransomware attacks, by bringing together all automated and manual tasks via dynamic, automated runbooks, real-time dashboards, notifications, and immutable audit trails. With Cutover, you are able to manage your teams and technology stack by defining, unifying, and measuring all tasks required to get your business back online after an outage or cyber incident. Cutover's cyber recovery solution stands on 3 proven pillars. Readiness allows you to gain confidence and strengthen your cyber recovery posture with templated, executable plans. Exercise and test your strategies and assure stakeholders with ease. Recovery provides innovative and dynamic runbook technology with built-in automation capabilities to modernize your cyber recovery strategies and allow you to restore applications faster. Review enables you to meet regulatory requirements with immutable audit logs and analyze post-event metrics for overall process improvements. Cutover provides a comprehensive and holistic solution to respond to and recover from cyber disruptions. From testing to recovery to process improvement and learning, Cutover automates repetitive tasks and workflows to free up Security Operations Center or SOC team IT operations for more strategic work in times of a business crisis. As a result, IT and SOC teams can respond more quickly and effectively to cyber incidents in order to get the business back online. How confident are you in your cyber recovery posture? Take a proven approach towards your cyber recovery procedures. Contact Cutover today and learn how we help the largest global financial institutions with their cyber and disaster recovery strategies. Contact Cutover today.